Hello everyone, I am going to explain you the kingdom Plantae. Kingdom Plantae are autotrophic, having cell wall made up of cellulose, eukaryotic, multicellular. They are commonly called plants. So, in phylogenetic system of classification, Engler and Parental in 1883 to 86, as well as Hutchinson, they classify the Plantae kingdom into two sub-kingdoms. There are two sub-kingdoms, Cryptogames and Phanerogames. Cryptogames and Phanerogames, you can see clearly. The cryptogames, here cryptus. Cryptus means hidden and gamy means marriage actually. So they are non-flowering plants. They do not flowers. When we talk about the plant, a common idea comes in our mind that they should possess root, stem, leaves, flower and fruit. Okay? But these are the groups of plants having no flower, no fruits. Okay? But they are plants as what the criteria made, they fulfill. So cryptogames are further divided into three divisions: Thallophyta, Bryophyta and Pteridophyta. Thallophyta means thallus like, here plant body is thallus like. Thallus means when the plant body is not distinct, differentiated into root, stem and leaves, such a plant is called thallus. So here algae, they are also called algae, member of algae. They have three classes: Chlorophyceae, Phaeophyceae and Rhodophyceae. Chlorophyceae is called green algae, Phaeophyceae is called brown algae and Rhodophyceae is called red algae. You must remember the examples what I have mentioned here. Try to write down the examples which are very important for your examination purpose of view. Okay, so you note down the examples whatever I have written. I am showing you with the nearest point, so note down. Here the Chlorophyceae, we have a Spirogyra, Chlorophyceae, Spirogyra, Cara, Gygnema, Volvox, Chlamydomonas, Eulothrix. In Phaeophyceae, we have Ectocarpus, Dictyota, Laminaria, Sorghasum. But in Rhodophyceae, we have Porphyra, Gelidium, Gracilaria, Chondrus, Polysiphonia, Batrachospermum. So these are very important. The examples are very important. You must remember them. Then in pteridophytes, they fern-like Archaeopteris, birds like their leaves resembles with the leaves, wings of the Archaeopteris, which was often connecting link between by excavation, often near California, and that is considered as a connecting link between that is a birds, but connecting link between birds and reptiles. So bearing both the characters. So leaves of this plant resembles with the wings of Archaeopteryx, hence the name given as Pteridophyta. Bryon means turf, a volvety appearing, towel-like. Such plants grow on the rock area or even in moist, damp soil where they fall volvety turf. So they are called Bryophyta. Bryophyta means plant, bryon-like plant. Archaeopteryx like, phyta means plant. Examples are Pteris, Selaginella, Equigetum, Lycopodium, Silotum, Salvinia, Rhinia, Marcellia, Adiantums. So you must remember the example. Okay. Next is your Phanerogame, which are of flowering plants. They bear flowers and seeds. So there are two classes, there are divisions: Gymnosperms and Angiospermae. In Angiospermae and in Gymnospermae, these examples are Ginkgo, Cycas, Pinus, Cedrus. You remember these examples? And in Angiospermae, we have two classes further. the monocotyledonei and dicotyledonei. In monocotyledonei, single cotyledon seed leaves. The seed bears generally seed leaf as a reserve food material. So here one single cotyledon present, here two cotyledon present. Examples are cereal plants like Gia maize, Triticum aestivum, Oryza sativa. जितना wheat cereals जो भी आते हैं, grasses family comes under monocotyledon. Dicotyledons are all pulses. जो दाल आप जानते हैं pulses. लाइक मैंजीफेरा इंडिका, कैजनस का अरहर को कहते हैं, अरहर दाल को, साइसर एरिएंटिनम चना को कहते हैं. तो दीज ऑल आर फॉल अंडर डाइकोटिलेडोनेई. वी विल डिस्कस वन बाय वन इन डिटेल इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो. ओके, सो इन दिस वीडियो आई हैव शोन यू, जस्ट रिमेंबर दैट डिफरेंट ग्रुप्स ऑफ प्लांट किंगडम. Here cryptogams, Plantae have cryptogams, phanerogams, and Thallophyta, Bryophyta, Pteridophyta, Gymnosperm, Angiosperm, their example. Okay, next video we will discuss about the Thallophyta in detail.